So let's start a game. Today I brought a game. Para reposar farm animals: horse, pig, sheep, chicken, and cow. It's a game. El nombre de este game is What's in the Box? This is a box. A box. Entonces lo que tienen que hacer es guess. Tienen que adivinar what animal is in the box. Tienen que adivinar qué animal hay en la box. Are you ready? Let's play. What's in the box? What animal is in the box? Is it a pig? No. What animal is it? Yes, it's a horse. A horse. Great. Let's go with another. Vamos con el próximo. What animal is in the box? Oh, is it a cat? No. What animal is it? A pig. Yes, a pig. Right. Let's go with another. What animal is in the box? Is it a dog? No. What animal is it? A sheep. Yes, it's a sheep. Let's go with another. What animal is in the box? What farm animal is in the box? Is it a horse? No. Is it a pig? No. What animal is it? A chicken. Yes, it's a chicken. The last one. What animal is in the box? What animal is it? Is it a pig? No. What animal is it? Yes, it's a cow. A cow. Great! You guessed all. Well done. Bye bye.